Shahid Afridi, he's got 8 from 9. And here's this big 19th over. Can Fernando produce one of those Jaffa split finger slow Yorkers? Here we go. Change of pace, and guess what? It's out of here. Yeah, it's gone all the way. What a great start to this over for Pakistan. 6 off the first one. Yeah, and it's him. Boom, boom.
The length was perfect. Afridi was going all the while because it's this over that will decide it. In the last over, it was all quicker ones. Miss Bauhat used the pace. Important. Fernando needs to forget what happened in the last over and forget this ball. Take a deep breath. One good delivery, that's all he needs to produce.
Yeah, head in the air, wanted to smash that into next week. Shahid Afridi, yeah, brave stuff from Fernando. Another slower delivery. Bold.
It's very tricky because Afridi will go at everything, and he's a strong lad. Even if he doesn't get all of it, it's going to clear the fence. This time Fernando got away with it because it was bowled away from him outside off stump. Afridi all the while going down the ground or towards mid-wicket. Get him to fetch it.
Dilshan was having a bit of a chat there, just saying, look, maybe on that leg side, should we get mid-wicket a little bit squarer, or do you want him a little bit straighter? He's just signalling that now. Fernando is just signalling that he wants his man a bit further. Just having that discussion with the captain and bowler. Captain is behind point. It is very noisy. Another slow one, and guess what? This one's got an air hostess on it. Oh, it's a beauty. That is a big 6 here in Abu Dhabi. Oh, they're rejoicing and loving it on a Friday night.
Ball much straighter to him, much closer in his arc. Both sixers in that same line. Fernando getting that line wrong. He's got to do what Pakistanis did. Go for the block hole.
Sweet connection from one of the best in the business in the modern game. Opens the arc, clears the front hip, and swings with superb timing. Needs the Yorker. That is what the discussion will be. Malinga, the specialist, saying, let's get it in the hole.
He's coming from fine leg, ran up straight to his man. You know, SriLanka still with the chance. It's not over yet. He's just got to get a couple of balls right. Because Afridi, it's time for a breather because he's lost the ball.
They're not going to get it back. Yeah, you got 2 shows. And they're still waiting for it. So they're going to say, no, it's not going to come back. We'll just get a new one. So the umpire, and they're just sussing another one. Just get on with the game, please, gents, because the other one's not coming back. A lovely connection. And we'll just hunt this one down. No, we won't. It's staying there in the pockets. Yep. Can we have the ball back, please? This is over. Yeah, nice one. And that just gone over the line. This one didn't. Right out of the sweet spot. And all 3 strikes, 2 of them connecting. 12 runs.
All 3 similar shots. It's going to be the big swing. Fernando has to stay away from it.
Get the Yorker in. And he does. A fuller length. Applauded by his teammate Kumar Sangakkara.
But Afridi did expect it as well. Gave himself some room. Tried to go offside. But gave himself a little too much room.
Tell you what, on another night, he just stayed still there, Freddie. Could have square cut that, square sliced the drive. If it went against the bowling side, they could have just screamed off through point.
Or just gone up to point and be caught.
And that too. Tries the Yorker. Gets it over the top. It's racing out of the fence. And some good work in the deep.
14 off 5. 1 ball from Fernando remaining. Malinga's up to him again. Just matters what happens this ball. Malinga will back himself with 7 or 8. He has to.
Well, you just got to get a beauty. Get a really good tailing in swinging Yorker. Easier said than done, but you get it in there and you disturb the woodwork. And she's game on. Then there's the tension in the dressing room of the batting side. Knock over the skipper or Shahid Afridi. Straight away Malinga's the last over the game, and it's all on.
Low full toss. Afridi did really well to get underneath that. And thank God he's broken his bat.
Yeah, but he's got about another dozen in the bag. So he's pulled those out, says, yep, thanks very much. And let's go. One more in this over. An ideal situation. Let's have a dot ball. And then 9 required off the Malinga last.
He bowled 2 overs for 8 runs of Fernando. On his comeback, he's gone 11 balls, for 28. It's been good batting. You can't take it away from Misbah-ul Haq initially.
That's the beauty of this game. The beauty of this format. Gone, there's the edge. That's what they needed so desperately, did Sri Lanka. Afridi, that wonderful little cameo has come to an end. Faint edge through to Sangakkara, and he's out for 22. Look at the crowd. It's stunned silence from them, but not from the Sri Lankan supporters. Loving it. Last ball of the over is a wicket. He's gone for 22. It's 133 for 5. Shoaib Malik, can he be a hero for Pakistan? He's finally got a bit of time in the middle in the series. Here's the little nick. Easy catch for Sangakkara, and desperately needed. So the captain is on strike. 41. Misbah-ul Haq, 9 off this final over.
It's the bat, Danny. He broke his back.
Yes, good call. Nice call, Dr. Arnold. Here's Malinga. Oh, he couldn't get it in the hole where he wanted to. He wanted it right on off stump. Captain comes back. Good running. Oh, no, this will be 6. The overthrow. Oh, and it's gone to the rope. The drama just keeps unfolding here. The big overthrow, and it means that'll be a 6. And the captain is still on strike.
What a contribution from Shahid Malik. There should never have been 2. But he was coming down all the while. A wild throw from Angelo Matthews.
For me, he just overran it a bit, Sangakkara. He ran up so quickly. Could have stayed the line behind the stumps. Just one of those little basics. And Dilhara, who should have been backing up, coming across behind, wasn't there to be seen.
He overran it too. He was blinded. A disaster for Sri Lanka. Shahid Malik was always running. When Misbah-ul Haq was turning for the second, Malik was already there.
Well, simple equation here now. Going to have a couple of guys up inside the circle. Yeah, and he's doing that now, Malinga. He's going to bring mid-off up there. He's going to bring Angelo Matthews. And he's going to have to be a superstar here, Malinga. He needs to knock over Misbah-ul Haq, this delivery, or the next one. If it's a dot ball here, he needs to knock him over. It's as simple as that. In these next 2 deliveries. Can he? Oh, and he could have fielded that too, Malinga. But he can't, and it's a single. Brings Shoaib Malik with the adrenaline pumping through Malik's body. There's no doubt about that. He will be very nervous.
Well, we are so used to this. Sri Lanka fighting all the way, getting so close. But then when you sit back and look, just not enough runs on the board. With the opportunity there to make much more. But can the unexpected happen?
Well, positive here for Malinga is that he's got the new man, Malik. He's not faced a delivery yet. Field up. Third man is back. Fine leg is back. And Deepak would square. So they've got the umbrella field happening on both sides of the wicket. Here comes Malinga. Oh, it's a beauty. That's an outside edge. They're coming back for 2, and that'll be it. And there's a misfield, and there goes Misbah.
Malinga couldn't believe it. He believed he hit him on the pad, but it's been given runs. And that's the game. Misbah-ul Haq once again.